Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us, your one-stop for everything AI. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing and ringing that all notification bell. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comments. We are highly interested in your feedback. The police force of Dubai has earned a reputation as one of the most high-tech and innovative law enforcement agencies in the world. As the sprawling metropolis continues to grow as a global hub of trade, tourism and innovation, Dubai's police have embraced emerging technologies to help meet the city's public safety challenges of the future. The force aims to harness artificial intelligence, autonomous platforms and big data analytics to enhance its crime prevention and response capabilities. One of the most recent and headline-grabbing initiatives is the planned deployment of driverless robotic patrol cars across residential areas. The vehicles represent a bold step towards intelligent, highly connected policing. The autonomous patrols will utilize advanced sensors, cameras and onboard artificial intelligence to monitor neighborhoods without direct human control. Facial recognition enables identifying persons of interest, while networking allows real-time coordination with police command centers. With rapid advances in AI and robotics, Dubai hopes to leverage self-driving technology to improve community safety and empower law enforcement officers. The integration of such powerful surveillance systems raises profound questions surrounding oversight, ethics and social impact. As Dubai pushes to be revolutionary in the name of security, it also shoulders a responsibility to set the standard for responsible development of artificial intelligence. The choices made today regarding autonomous policing could resonate far beyond the region. The Dubai police unveiled self-driving patrol cars to improve safety and security in residential areas. The new patrol cars will use AI to monitor criminal activity, recognize faces, and register license plates. The car is designed to specifically patrol residential areas, and will feature a 360-degree camera to enable officers to gather intelligence, which will send real-time messages directly to the control center at Dubai Police's General Operations Department. The self-driving patrol car will feature an onboard drone. This drone can access areas the vehicle cannot and maintains direct wireless communication with the patrol once launched. Dubai Police did not state when the self-driving patrol cars will start operating. Developed around the chassis of a Corvette, the vehicle has a top speed of around 52 miles per hour, and is powered by an 1800cc engine. The vehicle can carry up to 2 passengers with a weight limit of 1,378 pounds. The introduction of self-driving patrol cars is a part of Dubai's larger strategy to implement cutting-edge technologies in policing and public safety. Dubai has established itself as a leading city in autonomous vehicle development, with the Dubai Roads and Transport Authority conducting various trials of driverless taxis and buses. Using self-driving vehicles for security patrols offers a number of potential benefits compared to traditional police vehicles. The use of facial recognition and license plate scanning also enables authorities to identify and track persons of interest. Self-driving cars are programmed to obey traffic rules flawlessly, reducing the risks associated with high-speed chases or improper maneuvers. They can also communicate and coordinate with a central command center in real time, allowing police to dispatch units to incidents quickly. Advanced sensors in the vehicles can potentially detect safety hazards and identify suspicious activities in residential areas. However, there are also ethical concerns surrounding the use of AI and facial recognition in policing. Dubai Police have stated that the vehicles will only patrol permitted areas to avoid privacy issues. The onboard drone feature significantly enhances the patrol surveillance capabilities. Drones can hover and access hard-to-reach areas that a ground vehicle cannot cover. They provide an aerial view of the surrounding area, which is valuable for monitoring large neighborhoods. Drones can also pursue and track fleeing suspects more easily than police officers on foot. With wireless connectivity, the drone can transmit live video feeds and communicate critical information to the patrol car and command center. University researchers are working closely with some law enforcement agencies to ensure development and testing progresses responsibly. As with any rapidly evolving technology, it will take Dubai police time to refine the operational protocols and safeguards surrounding its autonomous patrols. The risks of cyber attacks or hacking of self-driving vehicles also need to be minimized for any mass deployment. Transparency regarding data collection, surveillance policies and other aspects will also ease privacy fears surrounding the advanced technology. If successful, the autonomous patrols could free up many routine duties for human police officers in Dubai. More flexible 24/7 patrol coverage can enhance safety and security across neighborhoods. Less time spent on simple tasks like neighborhood patrols means officers can focus on critical emergency responses, investigations and community engagement. But human oversight and management will remain crucial even as artificial intelligence capabilities grow. Key policing tasks like questioning suspects, making judgment calls and addressing public concerns cannot be fully automated. Self-driving patrols serve as a tool to augment human abilities and skills, not replace them outright. The Emirate has also outlined an AI ethics principles code that stresses developing technology responsibly. As Dubai police expand their use of autonomous platforms, following ethical guidelines and protecting public interests will be as important as harnessing new capabilities. The self-driving patrols mark a promising advancement for policing practices if implemented properly. With time, the artificial intelligence powering such vehicles will become more accurate and capable of handling complex incidents. This could enable responders to address emergencies that unfold rapidly, like traffic collisions, medical crises or crimes in progress. Self-driving technology may save lives that human responders cannot reach in time. But striking the right balance between expanding technical capabilities and upholding civil liberties remains a shared challenge as societies increasingly integrate autonomous systems. As an influential city, Dubai's approach in regulating and deploying self-driving patrols will provide lessons for how to balance innovation with responsible governance. Dubai's integration of self-driving vehicles into policing marks a significant evolution in law enforcement tactics in the region. Extreme summer heat in the desert climate can also impact the patrol vehicle's operational range and equipment. Advanced cooling systems may be required to prevent overheating issues and allow sustained performance. The vehicles and onboard systems will require ruggedness to withstand sandstorms and dust through specialized sealing and filters as well. Since Dubai's population consists of a majority of expatriates and foreign visitors, the AI and facial recognition capabilities will need to account for far greater diversity compared to training datasets from any single nationality. With over 200 nationalities represented, ensuring the technologies do not exhibit unintended bias will be crucial. As a global business and tourism hub, Dubai will have more complex privacy considerations surrounding persistent police surveillance. A phased approach can allow Dubai police to test the autonomous platform's capabilities across different areas and events. The city hosts major events where visibility and crowd dynamics change drastically. Configuring patrol patterns and security protocols will require flexibility to adapt to changing conditions on the fly. Starting with low-risk districts and contained zones will help refine the AI systems before expanding to more sensitive or crowded parts of the city. As Dubai expands trials of self-driving patrol units, cooperation with researchers and engineers will allow for constant improvement. Like any machine learning application, the AI and sensors will become more capable and reliable with ongoing real-world testing. The city can leverage its strong ties with global tech firms to refine the vehicle's design and capabilities. If successful, Dubai's model for autonomous policing and public safety could provide a blueprint for other world cities. But the Emirates' progress also hinges on building trust and buy-in among the population. Law enforcement innovations must focus on a community-centric approach as much as technical capabilities. With responsive policies and close cooperation with the public, Dubai's self-driving patrols could become a truly pioneering smart city initiative. As artificial intelligence and autonomous platforms grow more prevalent, legal and regulatory frameworks will need to keep pace. There are open questions surrounding liability in potential incidents involving self-driving police vehicles. If a collision or other error occurs, assigning blame becomes complex when human operators are no longer directly in control. New classifications may be required to assign responsibility between the police department, the AI systems developers, and other parties involved. Similar to self-driving commercial vehicles, insurers will have to develop updated policies to account for the risks. There are also unresolved questions around law enforcement's access to data from the vehicle's cameras, sensors, and internet connections. Digital privacy advocates caution that persistent surveillance risks overreach without proper safeguards. It's unclear how footage and sensor readings from autonomous patrols could be used as evidence in criminal cases. Updated codes of conduct and standard operating procedures are needed to prevent abuses as patrols expand. Periodic audits by independent bodies could verify policies, like random license plate searches, while ensuring facial matches are enforced fairly and sparingly. Dubai's leadership has emphasized developing artificial intelligence ethically. Police procedures will require equal emphasis. Specialized cybersecurity measures for self-driving vehicles are another critical need. As high-tech systems, they may face threats like hacking, spoofing, and network infiltration. Criminals gaining control of an autonomous patrol car could potentially impede legitimate operations or endanger the public. Rigorous testing and defenses, led by cybersecurity experts, can limit this emerging risk. To encourage accountability, Dubai police could publish regular reports detailing the performance and activities of the self-driving fleet. Metrics like crime reports in patrolled areas, arrests facilitated, and public feedback could shed light on their effectiveness. But data on aspects, like surveillance capabilities, arrests and demographics, should be anonymized to protect privacy. Transparency initiatives, like community review boards, can enable constructive public input on how the autonomous platforms are used. Consulting civil society groups and communicating responsibly with citizens will ensure progress does not come at the cost of public acceptance. With great potential benefits, also come risks, if autonomous law enforcement is advanced recklessly. Dubai police now bear the profound responsibility of shaping how AI redefines, not just security, but also privacy, ethics, and societal values for the future. The choices made today will reverberate far beyond the Emirates' borders. The launch of autonomous patrols places Dubai police at the global forefront of AI integration in law enforcement. But realizing the positive potential while mitigating risks will hinge on transparent governance and ethical practices. Close cooperation with the public and researchers will be vital. Dubai has the opportunity to set a blueprint for cities worldwide on deploying intelligent machines responsibly. With care and wisdom, AI and robotics can transform policing to be more effective, impartial, and humane. But public trust must be the foundation on which any technological advances rest. In conclusion, for such a diverse, international city at the crossroads of the world, Dubai bears profound duties in the future of artificial intelligence. Dubai's embrace of self-driving patrols could propel policing into a new era of efficiency or open the doors to overreach. Either way, the Emirates model will impact far more than just its borders. Now the world shall watch closely how wisely Dubai chooses to guide the path ahead. Thank you for watching. That is a wrap. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and most importantly, stay awesome. This is Make Money AI signing off. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss out on the newest updates in the world of AI. Remember, every like, comment, and share brings us closer together as a community.